Nandito pa rin tayo sa Candon at inaabangan natin kanina ang riders from the Tour's 9th stage at isa sa mga naging motivation ng stage winner natin na si Daniel Gold. Sabi niya yung fiancé niya daw na talagang binigyan siya ng motivation to end the about 130-kilometer race. And nagawa niya yan in 3 hours, 13 minutes, and 2 seconds. Daniel Gold is from CCN Factory Racing. At sabi niya, this is his first victory after 3 years. He was able to cross Lawag City and Candon City in just about 3 hours. Medyo dramatic yung finish kasi going to the finish line, nahati yung peloton in a turn towards the finish line. There's a turn and uphill. Doon nagkaroon ng medyo dramatic finish at ang nagwagi pa rin dyan is Daniel Gould. Pero dapat ang mangunguna dito ay dalawang Pangasinense. Pero nanguna pa rin, biglang nag-sprint si Daniel going to the finish line. So pumangalawa dito sa stage 9 si Private Benedict Soriano at ang kanyang teammate na si Daniel Fariñas, both from the Pangasinan cycling team. At sabi rin kasi ni Daniel Gold, hilig niya daw yung mga short climbs tulad nung uphill going to the finish line here in Candon City. And he is extra happy and motivated daw since, again, it was 3 years nung last victory niya. Kaya mukhang maganda yung momentum niya heading to Cervantes, Ilocos Sur tomorrow for the Besang Pass. Lord and Denise.
Bukas yung talagang challenge, ano? Kasi pataas. Ito,
Yes.
pantay lang yung kanina, Denise, ano? Tama?
Yes, Lord, a bit of uphill lang dito. Meron lang talagang mga matarik at masikip na daan. At yun nga, meron tayong kaunting loops and turns and a bit of uphill going from Lawag going here to Candon, Ilocos Sur. Pero bukas, dito nga matitesting ang ating mga climbers going from here, Candon City, to Besang Pass. That's 131.2 kilometers na road racing for tomorrow. So let's see kung it's again this Danish rider na si Daniel Gould or it's gonna be a Filipino or a different team na mangingibabaw bukas.
Tingnan natin kung not all that glitters is gold. Pero challenge bukas yung elevation, yung nipis din ng hangin, yung sudden change ng ano, no? Ng yung hangin ng yung malaking factor yan. Tingnan natin. Alright, mukhang sobrang init sa labas at kailangan mag-indoor.
Nagtago muna si Denise.
Tago muna, pahinga. Alright. Kailan ka uuwi, Denise Valdez Sancho?
Babalik na ako by Monday. So hanggang May 10 lang tayo dito. At aabangan pa rin naman natin kung anong mangyayari sa last day which is sa Baguio. Pero for the meantime, focus muna tayo kung paano ba magkakalagasan bukas from going to Besang Pass. Lord and Denise.
Pasalubong ka naman sa amin ng bisikleta, Denise Valdez Sancho. Baka pwede naman, ha?
Yes, sige. Pero medyo mamahalin yung mga bisikleta dito, Lord. Tingnan natin.
Pamimigay na yan.
Yun ang punto doon.
Yung mananalo, sobrang tuwa nun, makakalimutan niya na yan. Arbory mo na yun. Total, champion naman.